Did you know that what you eat today could determine how you feel next week, next month, and even years from now? Yes, your body is constantly sending signals, and the right foods can unlock a stronger immune system, better digestion, and more energy. But here's the problem: most people miss out on some of the most powerful superfoods that can transform their health quickly. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know 3 incredible superfoods that can boost your overall health fast, but also how to use them effectively to maximize their benefits. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Be Your Health, and here, we dive deep into natural remedies, nutrition, and health hacks to help you feel your absolute best. In this video, we'll break down 3 superfoods that can rapidly improve your health, how they work, and simple ways to add them to your daily routine. Before we continue, remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're ready to take charge of your health, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a health boosting tip. Now, let's jump in. Superfood number 1, turmeric. The golden healer. First on our list is turmeric, a bright yellow spice packed with a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is one of the most potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds found in nature. Studies show that turmeric can reduce joint pain and stiffness, improve digestion and gut health, support brain function and memory, strengthen the immune system. Real testimonial. Meet Sarah. She had been struggling with joint pain for years. After adding turmeric to her daily diet, by drinking golden milk every night, she noticed a huge reduction in inflammation and pain within just a few weeks. She says she feels more mobile and energetic than ever before. But here's the catch: curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. So, how do you get the most out of it? Combine it with black pepper, which contains piperine. This boosts absorption by up to 2000%. Mix it with healthy fats like coconut oil or olive oil to enhance its effects. Add it to smoothies, teas, or golden milk for a delicious and healthy boost. Would you like a quick turmeric latte recipe? Let me know in the comments. Superfood number 2, chia seeds, the tiny powerhouse. Next up, we have chia seeds, which may look tiny, but they are nutritional giants. These seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids for brain and heart health, fiber to support digestion and gut health, protein for muscle repair and sustained energy, antioxidants that fight aging and inflammation. Chia seeds are also excellent for weight management because they expand in liquid, keeping you full longer and reducing cravings. Real testimonial. Here's Tom's story. Tom used to struggle with constant cravings and energy crashes throughout the day. After adding chia seeds to his morning smoothies and oatmeal, he found himself feeling full for longer and having stable energy all day. He even lost a few pounds effortlessly. How can you use them? It's super easy. Mix them into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Make a chia seed pudding. Just soak them in almond milk with a little honey and vanilla overnight. Add them to homemade energy bars or sprinkle them on salads. Fun fact: Aztec warriors ate chia seeds before battle for endurance and energy. So, if you need an all-day energy boost, chia seeds are your best friend. Superfood number 3, fermented foods, the gut healers. Last but not least, let's talk about fermented foods. These are absolute game changers for your health. Why? Because they're packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that improve gut health and digestion, strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation, help with weight management and mood balance. Some of the best fermented foods include sauerkraut, fermented cabbage packed with probiotics and vitamins, kimchi, spicy fermented vegetables that support digestion, kefir, a probiotic-rich fermented dairy drink, yogurt with live cultures, boosts gut health and helps digestion. Adding just 1 serving of fermented foods daily can dramatically improve your digestion and energy levels. Real testimonial. Meet Lisa. She had been struggling with bloating and gut discomfort for years. She started eating a small portion of sauerkraut daily, and within just a few weeks, her digestion improved dramatically. No more bloating, no more discomfort, just better energy and overall well-being. Let me know, what's your favorite fermented food? Drop it in the comments. Quick recap and actionable tips. So, let's do a quick recap of the 3 superfoods that can quickly improve your health. 1. Turmeric, fights inflammation and boosts brain health. Combine it with black pepper for maximum absorption. 2. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3s, fiber, and protein to support digestion, energy, and weight management. 3. Fermented foods, loaded with probiotics that improve gut health and strengthen the immune system. Now, here's your challenge: try adding at least one of these superfoods to your diet this week and see how you feel. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Also, if you want a part 2 with more superfoods, comment part 2 below. Which one are you most excited to try? Have you already used any of them? Drop your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Be Your Health. Stay healthy, stay empowered.